Namaste to all the students. Kusha Vidya. Myself JVM Dr. Khushbu Verma, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about one important organelle of the cell, which is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is present in the cytoplasm of the cell, and it has two types. First is rough endoplasmic reticulum and second is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. If we talk about the definition of the endoplasmic reticulum, so endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membrane found throughout the cell and connected to the nucleus, and the membrane are slightly different from cell to cell, and cell's function determines the size and the structure of the ER. If we go for the example, so some cells such as prokaryotes or red blood cells do not have any kind of a ER, and cells that synthesize and release a lot of proteins, they need a large amount of ER. You might look at a cell from the pancreas or liver for good example of the cell with large ER structures. ER means endoplasmic reticulum. If we talk about the types of endoplasmic reticulum, so there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum acts as a storage organelle. It is important in the certain and storage creation and storage of lipids and steroids. Steroids are a type of ringed organic molecule used for many purposes in an organism. They are not always about building the muscle mass of a weightlifter. Cells in your body that release oil also have more SER than most cells. The sarcoplasmic reticulum SR is a variation of SER, and it is able to store many ions in solution that the cell will need at a later time. When a cell needs to do something immediately, it doesn't make sense to search the environment for extra ions that may or may not be floating around. It is easier to have them stored in a pack for easy use. For example, if you are running around and your muscle cells are active, they will need calcium ions. The SR can release, and sarcoplasmic reticulum can release those ions immediately. When you are resting, they are able to store them for later use. If we talk about the endoplasmic reticulum, it means RER. They are also mentioned in the section of ribosomes because they attach ribosomes on it, and it is very important in the synthesis and packaging of the proteins. Ribosomes which are attached to the membrane of ER, making it rough, and the RER is also attached to the nuclear envelope that surrounds the nucleus. This direct connection between the perinuclear space and the lumen of ER allow for the movement of molecules through both membranes. So as we had discussed about rough endoplasmic and smooth endoplasmic reticulum structure, so here we can see these two diagrams. First, related to the RER, you can see here that this ER have ribosomes on it, and these are the tubules of ER. On the other side, you can see SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. They will not have any kind of ribosomes. So they are structurally different from each other. They have different functions. If we talk about the RER, they will help in the production of proteins and packaging of the proteins. If we talk about SER, they will help in the production of lipids and steroids. So this is the sum up of our session. And this session is powered by Digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.